Good evening, friends, fellow traders. I greet you all. My name is Samuel Okoyeocha, teaching you from the land of the rising sun. Apologies for not making videos last week. I was so occupied. Pardon me. Today I'm bringing you the normal weekly analysis based on advanced method of Elliott Wave theory. If this is the first time you're watching my video, like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to learn from somebody who will teach you well, I think I'm one of those that will teach you. You can join my class. Links are in my bio. I have 3 Telegram channels. 2 is free. 1 is for students and VIP members. So you also see my mobile number. The number is working on WhatsApp and Telegram. Contact me if you want to learn from me. I don't charge much. I don't charge much. My charge is affordable and it's a one-time payment, not a monthly or weekly payment, but you will be there until you graduate. That's the little I can offer to help the society and those who don't have much money to pay. Okay, so let's continue. DXY, remember on last update, I told you that we expect it to reverse from here, then it will enter this place. So here, DSY, I expect it to go below 100, 99 or thereabout. So whenever it enters this zone, the reversal zone is between 99 800 to 97 is the reversal zone. So allow it to reverse before you buy. So USD card is delaying, but I don't want to buy. For me, USD card have not finished selling. So whatever is happening, as long as it isn't close above 1.37416, it is selling. Meanwhile, you can sell it now and watch out. The dropping. I think my question is that it's gonna get to 1.3225, 1.32, 1.31, 1.3, and thereabout. So this zone is the reversal zone. You can see all this place is the reversal zone. Okay, so the selling is not yet over. Okay, that's for USD card. USD chef. Last time I said that you may leave USD chef alone, but I don't want to buy it. So it seems to be making what we call ending diagonal. Maybe to make an ending diagonal. But once USD card is selling, USD chef, I don't see the possibility of it buying. Rather, it can be going sideways. So this, I expect it to go down, or maybe something like this. Either it go down or it completes this ending diagonal, do something like this, and drop again. So buying, I don't recommend it buying USD chef. Okay. USD is buying, no doubt about that. So what is our target? You know, all these trades have been going on for a long time. If you're following me, you must have made thousands of pips and thousands of dollars, depending on your equity. So it's going up. What you're gonna do is, if you go down to 1 hour, you can find your entry. So you can see this wave 1, wave 2. You can buy it now, stop loss here, then it is buying. No doubt about that. So the targets, I didn't measure the target, but the target, maybe this upper channel will be the target. I didn't measure it, but let's assume this upper target. Okay, so let me do a quick one. This will likely be the target or the minor target. Okay, it is still the same place. This 1.12, 1.13, 1.135 is the next target. It doesn't mean it's reverse here, but when it comes to this place, we begin to look for reversal. Okay, pounds USD. Pounds USD is also buying Pounds USD is at a minor reversal zone, which means it can make a little reversal and keep buying. Buying not finished. Buying not finished. But if you bought pounds USD, I advise you to either close it or move your stop to break even, because we expect a little move down, then continue going up, or it can equally make a big move down before buying again. Meanwhile, if you're watching, there's something I showed last month on daily charts, and we can go there now. I have no time to go there now. So that's why you see this, but it seems it won't happen now. So let me delete it. Let's keep watching what happens around this minor reversal zone. AUD USD. Nothing to explain on here. It is buying, it reversed at our reversal zone, only to point to you where we expect it to we expect it to go as far as 0.7, 0.705, 0.71, 0.715. So all this zone is our reversal zone. It is still going higher, higher, higher. If you go down to daily charts, you can see why we say that it will still go higher. Using the USD, it's also buying, though it was somehow slow. It was lagging last week, but if you know technical analysis, you know when a particular pair is lagging, it's an opportunity for you to buy it, because after lagging, it will surely go to the place where the brother is going. So expect a higher move on this 0.63, 0.64 is where our next target will be. Okay. JP225. Well, JP225. I don't want to buy this, because unless if it goes above this zone, then I can look for buy. But right now, there is the type of trade I used to trade, a risky trade that won't cost me much. For instance, here is my invitation. So if you want to take a risk like me, you can either sell it from this zone, stop loss here, or you place a sell stop this place. Sell stop. Sell stop at 7.7 at 7.748. So here is the stop loss. Okay, this sell stop is safer than selling from here, because if it break this zone, at least it will give you a chance to move your stop loss to break even. But if you sell from here, if it keeps going up, it will kill your stop loss. So I will decide whether I will sell or I make a sell stop. So it's a good trade. Meanwhile, for conservative traders, stop loss should be this place. But I don't like trading with a high stop loss. It is very high from here, so that's why I don't want to place it there. But I show you so that you be aware that it may fail or it may buy. Okay. Meanwhile, if it begin to sell, we target this place as our reversal zone. Though we expect it to give us a new low, because this is what we are seeing this as an A, B, C. Though it can make the kind of this type of movement before it will drop, or it can make a triangle, something like this. Then A, B, C, D, E. Then it will drop. So you need to have experience to know how to follow this trade. USJPY. I want to sell this, but no sell setup yet. It has three reversal zones. as you can see, here is a reversal zone. Will it work? I don't know. Here is another reversal zone. Here is another reversal zone. Which one will work? I don't know. That is why I used to tell you, before you sell, get set it up. Before you buy, get buy set up. So you don't just buy blindly. You can see I don't have any stop loss placed. But if I must place a stop loss, it will be here. It will be here. So I don't want it to be too high. If the market comes to this zone, I will buy it. Stop loss will be here because the reversal will not come as high as this very zone. So, but I doubt if it will come to this place anyway. Anything can happen in the market. Nobody is 100% sure. USDJPY, another said waiting. I want to see it come to this zone. I will sell from this zone. But if the buying is strong, maybe I will consider that this stop loss will be broken. Then here will be the stop loss. But I think this place is gonna hold. So when price goes to this zone, I go to 1 hour and look for sell setup. Pounds JPY, this one is simple. The selling is either itself from this channel or it will enter the reversal zone. So if you sell from here, fine. If you sell from here, fine. Though I would like stop loss to be here. I would like stop loss to be here so that it won't be so far. I would like to stop loss to be at this place. Okay, so that is if it breaks this channel, it needs to go much deeper in the reversal zone. So USD gold, not too much talk. Gold is buying as I forecasted. Here, what we expect here is that when price comes to 265, 264, 266, 268, and so on, we expect either a minor reversal up again or a big one up again. Whichever way, when the market starts, you don't begin to measure. You don't go ahead of the market. Let it hit the reversal zone and reverse first before you begin to check what we're gonna get. Silver also is buying. For those who can count the wave, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. This 5 will complete around 31.6, 31.7, or even 32. After that, we look for a little reversal, another move before the big correction. So whatever is happening, silver is still buying as we forecasted. Gold is, in fact, I think all the pays I forecasted 3 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, all of them are going in my direction. I don't think anyone failed. I don't know, maybe there will be few that failed, but I think they are doing pretty well. This is a platinum. I didn't trade this because why? It have some confusing pattern there. I saw about 3 possible patterns. So the best thing is to wait to get confirmation. Now, break of this channel have confirmed that this platinum is going up. So now, and I see this as A, B, C. That is wave 3, then wave 4, wave 5. After this, we may get a bigger, another correction, or even double correction. I don't know, but for now, if you are buying it, here will be the stop loss. Unless it's had to make a double correction, which I doubt if it will. I doubt if it will make double correction. Now, I doubt. But if it makes it, I will take the loss. You can take a loss, but don't lose carelessly. Okay. Buying from here, stop loss here is not much. It's about 1 to 3. Okay. So, but when it comes to this place, we check the momentum, whether it will keep going higher or it will correct from here. All these things is what you need to know before you begin to trade. Oil, US oil. US oil, I sold the oil. I made a lot of profits on oil. I closed, I think I closed here. I didn't sell this last drop because I know that the correction will start somewhere. It dipped, then begin to reverse. So hopefully it will come to this zone, 73.8, 76.08 is the major reversal zone. Meanwhile, you may not get it there. It may end at this this channel, 72.8, 73 or thereabout. So as I always say, I'm looking for sell setup. US 100 is going up after hitting our reversal zone. Meanwhile, you can see this arrow. You know, analysis is a market of probabilities. So the possibility of it making a big, why are you seeing this? There's a possibility of making a big A, B, C. But it didn't happen. It ended as this minor A, B, C. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, C again. Then you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you are gonna get probably a little A, B, C. Then the buying will continue. Or it can even give us a bigger A, B, C, but it won't go below this place. Then the buying will continue. So it's up to you to decide. About selling, I'm not selling, I can only buy. SP 500, it came to our reversal zone. It didn't touch our reversal zone and keep buying. If you want to buy it, allow it to give you a pullback, something like this, before you buy. Stop loss remains this place. US 30. US 30 is also doing great. Immediately it touched our reversal zone, it reversed and going up. Right now, let me check the wave count. I think we are getting 5 waves. Let me check. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, expanding triangle, wave 4, wave 5. Okay, maybe a little correction, another move. We still have much move upwards to make. DAX isn't going to our reversal zone. It rotated, it's now going up. What do you expect? A little correction again, a drop again, then a buy. That's what I expect that will happen on DAX. Okay, so buying not over at all on all these indices. DJI came to our reversal zone and reversed. It's now going up. We still have much place to go. Alright, I will stop here and I will show you cryptos and I will round off. I don't have they are not the watching time because all the markets I've been following for the past 3-4 months are going accordingly. If you had known how to analyze, you would be looking for this video every week. And if you join my class, I'll teach you how you open the chart, then you begin to trade without waiting for anybody to guide you. That is the wonderful knowledge to have, if you ask me. Bitcoin going up, only maybe a little correction that is not below this place, or maybe a big one not below this place. So what am I trying to say? Bitcoin is still going up. Remember, my target is I'm not going to close my Bitcoin until I see 83,000 or maybe at least 80,000. My Bitcoin will remain open no matter how long it takes. I want to see 83,000. That's my target on Bitcoin. Unless something happened, it will. Right now, let me update you. Right now, my stop loss is here. If something happens and it will go down with the speed, that is when it will cut, it will, I will not lose, rather it will cut my profit. So I don't want to close it prematurely. Okay, so that's how I trade. Some people trade every day. They open in the morning, close in the evening, some open and close within 5 minutes, within 1 hour, depending on the way you are trading. I'm a swing trader. I keep saying it. I don't have the energy to remain in the chart for hours and hours. It means I can't do anything again. That's not the type of life I want to live. So pardon me if I don't trade every day as people want. Ethereum is going up, though it is somewhat somehow slow. But if you know about wave, you can see that we have 5 waves already. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. This is wave 4, wave 5, maybe A, B, C. Then it's going to go. It will surely peak. It can delay, it can lag, but it will peak. Litecoin, watch again. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Or the 5 might still be forming. Maybe the 5 will make a new high. Then after that, it will drop and go again. So all the coins are going up with Bitcoin. So nothing to worry about coin. BNB is also going. Let me show you again. You can see, let me start from here. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It must go higher to make 5. That is to break the top before giving us 5. So after that, A, B, C, they are all buying. So nothing to fear about the buying. You only keep moving your stop loss to break even. If you are following me, if you are trading with me, remember to move your stop loss to break even when you are in profit, because anything can happen in the market. Something can happen in the economy of a particular country. You affect the market, and you see the market, you will experience volatility on the market. So SRP is not making good move. Though I can still count 5 waves. For those who know waves, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, A, B, C, wave 4. Wave 5 should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But sometimes 5 can be 3 waves. Okay, though maybe not a project to count it, but it can be 3 waves. And meanwhile, this is 4 hours chart. If you go down to 1 hour, you may count a nice 5. Let me check 1 hour. You may see a nice 5 waves in 1 hour. Oh, let me even check. Okay, or maybe we will get what we call ending diagonal. Okay, is that the case? Is it ending diagonal? I don't think so. Okay. Meanwhile, let's keep watching. As long as it's breaking this place, it's preferred to be with 5. So let's keep watching. If any pair is confusing, you leave it and buy the one that is clear. That's how I trade. There are so many things to trade. I don't bother myself about a trade that's not very clear to me. Okay, so even Shiba is now going. Okay, that's the end of my video. Remember, if you join my VIP and students channel, you will be learning and trading, because I used to share trade setups, many of them. I shared about, for the past 2 weeks, I have shared about 30 trade setups, and I've shared about 7, all profitable in the free group. In the free group, I shared about 7 or 8 trade setups for the past 2 weeks, and they are all profitable, all of them. Imagine when you have 30 to choose from. It's just to make, not losing money or pay little money to learn. Thank you, and God bless you.